not so much painting but actually structural replacement. That is what you're alluding to?
Yeah, it is. And if you on page 5 of the report, and don't forget this report was written in February 2010, so it's nearly 3 years ago. They do mention the priority areas, and some of these, they said priority 2 needs to be addressed in total 24 months, priority 3 is the next 36 months. We're in that time period now. So we'll see. We'll see. If we've got steelwork to replace, then we'll start eating into that contingency. But I'm pretty hopeful that we won't be there.
Move the suggested resolution, Mr. Chairman, and include that it's taken to QSP.
Okay, so we've got a mover with the CE to the resolution. Do you want me to read it out, or will you read it? No. Okay, we've got a second of Councillor Kirk. All those in favour? Aye. Those against? Carried.
Thank you.